Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. Now we're solving the spiral matrix 54. What is that? Given an m times x matrix, return all elements of the matrix in spiral order. So this is a spiral order, like the snail. It goes to the right and left, right, up, like this. So it all depends on the size of the strings, the matrix. So how can we do this? This is actually a fun one to do. Let me just create a directory, 54 spiral matrix, code 54. So what do we do here? We just get everything ready. So solution dot spiral order of, let me get an example matrix. So we need to check what are the lines that were visited, like last fully visited line, and that will be -1, or none. Let's just start with none. And why am I doing this? Because I want to, my strategy is to, let's go all the way to the end of the first line. When we do it, cool. Let's go down and then left and then up all the way until we hit the first line that's already visited, and then we continue the spiral, and we also save the column that was already visited. So visited row and as fully visited column. So while I think I can just say fully visited up row and then fully visited down row and last fully visited left and right column. So we can do something like, well, true, which is not going to be actually this. We can say actually have something like visited spots, which starts with 0, max number of spots equals length of matrix times the length of matrix 0. So while visited spots is smaller than max number of spots. So now we do stuff. So we also say current column that starts with 0 and current row also starts with 0. So I think we need to say, oh, by the way, we need to return stuff. Yeah. Return value. So that is return values dot append matrix of the row, current row, and current column. Actually, I don't even need this visited spots. I could just say while length of return values So we add this, and what we need to do, if so while our current column is smaller than last fully visited right column, we just go over it until we reach it. So we can do that. And last fully visited right column, let's not start with none, let's start with the length of matrix 0. And then current column plus equals 1. If we reach the end, let's just do something like current column minus equals 1, and also last fully visited. No. At this moment, we say that the last fully visited up row equals current row. And now we go down the line. So this is similar. We just need to replace stuff for going down. So while current row is smaller than last fully visited down row, same thing, and then cur row, it gets incremented all the way until the end. That we subtract 1, and last fully visited, and last fully visited right column is equal to cur column. And then, did we use this value already? Yeah, we actually did. Yeah, makes sense. And now left. So while current column is bigger than last fully visited left column, turn values, then current column minus equals 1, and then we just do current column plus equals 1, and last fully visited down row, sorry I had to think of low, equals current row. And now, last but not least, we do up. While current row is bigger than last fully visited up row, turn value, same thing, current row, and then current row, and last fully visited left column. Just to make sure this value hasn't been updated. Up, right, down, left equals current column. So I think this does the trick. So last visited up row is, let's just say -1. Down row is length of matrix. So the left column is -1. Now return values. Matrix of current row column. Oh yeah, this doesn't work like this. Keep making this mistake. So let's just run this, return values. 1, 2, 3, 3, 6. Oh yeah, right. I also need to go down immediately. Otherwise I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 9, 9, 8, 7, 7, 7, 4. Oh, the 5 is missing for some reason. Oh, I know why the 5 is. Do I know why? Yes. Because the length of return file is already bigger than what I wanted. So, also I need to, at this place, current row plus equals 1. And then current column minus equals 1, current row plus equals 1, and then current column plus equals 1, plus equals 1, minus equals, wait, current row plus equals 1, current column minus equals 1, current row minus equals 1. Yep. Turn values 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 4, 5. 7, 4, 5. Good. I think that what I did makes sense. Let me submit. Pray for me. Where did I go wrong? 10, 9, 5, 6, 7, 6. For some reason, I am going through the same one again. 6, 7, 6. Why? Let me check this. Maximum number of spots is 12. Does that make sense? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9, 11, 11, 12. So, let's see where it goes wrong. So, let's just look at the matrix. Return values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, yeah, 8, and then 12. 12. And then that's going to be 11, 10, 9. 11, 10, 9. And now it's going to be 5. 5. That's it. Then we move. Then 5, 6, 7. Skip it. Oh. Current column is 1. Well, what we can do here is just to make it simple. So I think I can just go and say, and do if it's bigger or equal than maximum number of spots, break, and I just do that at the end of all of these. I think that way. I'll just go skip all the way to the end. Yeah, it ends at 7. Although I think there would be a smarter way to fix this bug. But yeah, okay, it worked. Well, did better than 50%. Well, green and green, I'm happy. If I spent more time, I would have fixed the bug. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.